Today was a very special day, and somehow I don't know what was Gurudeva's intention. Lekin all of you all have become partakers of a very special session जहाँ पे आप सबके अंदर कुछ खुल गया है आज. Something has been opened within all of you all that will now be taking you on the path of self-awakening and self-realization. आत्मज्ञान की तरफ आपका रास्ता खुल गया है. This has been a very special session, and those who attended today's session, even those who don't normally attend, आज attend किया है, उनके भाग्य से attend किया है. ये आपको आज बुला रहा था, इसीलिए आप आज आए. Because you were destined for this. You were meant for this. So you attended. Because this was something very special, very intense energy, and always keep this lamp burning within you. I will send a recharge, and ये recharge आपको every day करना है. Okay, every day without fail आपको ये recharge करना है throughout your life. 5 minutes का recharge है. Every day 5 minutes तो आप निकाल ही सकते हैं. It's not asking for too much. But इसमें जो आपको मिलेगा, that is unlimited. What you will get in this is totally unlimited. So I congratulate all of you all for being participants in today's special session and being recipients of what special thing the universe has given all of you all. Congratulations to all of you all. कि आप सब इसके इस भाग्य में आप शामिल हो सकें. Anyone will want to share your experience? Yes, Mama.
Indeed, quite recharging. And point is, today is the Kartika Deepam, supposed to be lit in all the houses, particularly in South India. I don't know about your part of India, but this is very important for most of the South Indians. Your lighting of the lamp was very much appropriate at this time.
We covered that in the introduction, Mama.
Yeah,
I think
right,
you
yes.
missed it because you joined in late.
Yeah. So that was very appropriate, and I think that power was very intense, as you said. Indeed, actually. We'll try and keep it throughout our life. Are you sending a track, or we will just do it on our own?
No, I will send you the instruction.
Okay. So that's very interesting, and we'll continue to do that, and we'll update on what will be the outcome over the period of time.
Yes.
Like your, I'm still doing your chakra heal and 26 points and all that very regularly.
Very good.
And that has indeed given me a lot of completely different view of my life, actually. Plus, so many other things also I'm doing, but which is giving me a different path. I'm very thankful to you, Veena.
Thank you, Mama. It's all Guru Kripa. It's all Guru Kripa. Yes, Durgesh ji.
Ma'am, like very good experience. Like until 5-6 months back, I was attending, but unfortunately, last 5-6 months, my office timings have changed. Every day I have to start by around 7:30. So because of that, I was not able to attend. Fortunately, today was a holiday and I rejoined the session today. So very extraordinary experience, and 1 hour how it went, we didn't feel it at all. So thanks to you, ma'am. Hopefully, I will be able to join in future sessions also, and I will continue to practice the Samod, the recharge process that you will be sharing.
Yes, the recharge that I will give, do it every day. Yes, thank you. It's all Guru Kripa. Yes, Aparna ji.
Yeah, so I have been with meditations other.
Your voice is echoing. Unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So when I started with today's session, I actually when you told to invoke Ishtadev and the energies, and I started feeling Ishtadev when you told it, I started feeling heavy on my forehead. When you told the energies, I started feeling heavy in my arms. But towards the end, I'm feeling very good and very light.
Light feeling will be there. Yes. Yes. Deepika ji.
Namo Nama, ma'am.
Namo Nama.
And really, as you said, it was destined to attend this session because I just got up at 8:20 and my eyes opened, sparkled wide, and I had to rush for 8:30 session. So it was destined to be here today. And really, as the Sankalp goes, you know very well what Sankalp I must have taken. And right now it really feels a little on the impossible side, but yes, very positively working towards it. And today when we did Samod, I think after a long time I did Samod, and the green light, it was all green on my mind, and my eyes, the visualization was fully green, so that light was felt very strongly. And since I'm having this pain on the half head from 3-4 days, as I said, I did Reiki and then it settled a little. So today I was feeling a lot of tinkling in this part, the whole of the half head. A lot of tinkling was there, but I didn't get distracted. And really today I felt that oneness towards the end, that I couldn't see myself as the Akar, but it was just light and energy that I felt.
Very good. Very good.
And in the eyes, sometimes the middle eye, I see certain figures coming and going. I don't know, it is just my imagination or it really happens.
No, that is your third eye. That is your third eye that is working.
I see some kind of figures which come and then they go disappear, and then the other one comes that way.
Okay. That's your third eye functioning. No issues. Okay. Yes, Suvarna ji. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I think something went off.
Yeah, your video went off.
Went off. I don't know what happened.
No problem. You can be heard. Yes.
1 minute. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, and madam, too. I don't know. Starting, something unusual happened. I don't know why it is happening. When the diya, I could see very well. After sometimes, I could see a number of diyas. And then one by one night went off. All the diyas went off. And then suddenly one diya came, which had colorful of lights like pink, golden, and so many colors of that one diya had got so many colors. I was just wondering why all the diyas came and all the diyas went off. And then suddenly one diya is coming up with colorful this thing. I thought something is wrong with me. I don't know why it is happening. And then afterwards, towards the end, one diya was there in my this thing inside. I could feel it. Yes, I could feel the energy, of course. And then very nice what to tell. There is no words to explain because towards the end I felt so good. I could see my screen coming slowly coming down and slowly going up. It was very wonderful experience. And there was so much of heaviness in my right hand. But still that comes in my mind, why my diyas went off.
Okay.
during the
You
Hajj.
don't need so many diyas. One diya is enough.
Yeah, one diya is enough, but gradually so many diyas I could see.
Yes,
One
because
after
so
the
many of your lives have gone, no? Lifetimes have gone, no? It was symbolic of so many of your lifetime that you have spent
other.
trying to enter into your spiritual path, and now एक दिया काफी है अभी आपको आगे लेके जाने के लिए.
काफी है लेकिन कैसा आया है पता नहीं क्यों आया I didn't know.
That is what is symbolic of your different lives that you have lived,
अच्छा
your
अच्छा
different lifetimes. जो आपने दिया जलाए थे, फिर बुझ गए, फिर वापस दिया जलाए, फिर बुझ गए, कि वो लाइफ खत्म हो जाती है, फिर आप वापस दूसरे लाइफ में दूसरे फॉर्म में आते हैं, वापस आप प्रयास करते रहते हैं, और अब आपको एक दिया काफी है,
yeah.
क्योंकि उसी में आपको सारे रंग दिखने लगे अब. That is a progress, ना?
Yeah.
You don't have to worry. Always look at, see, the universe is always communicating something to you and telling you something.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Yes, Sanita ji.
Namo Namadi.
Namo Nama.
I like the introduction before the meditation started, na? Like on listening and hearing the difference. Even I was not aware of it. So I was really impressed with that. And then during the meditation, I don't know, I was totally, no thoughts came to my mind, nothing. I was totally engrossed. You know? And even I think I coughed once or twice, but it didn't distract me as such. But I was totally involved. And I saw one lamp, but I didn't see the lamp as such. I saw the flames on top.
That is enough.
I could see, but I couldn't see the stand or something.
No,
like
that's okay. The flames are more than enough.
But I was totally involved today.
Very
Like
nice.
no thought, no disturbance. There was sound of car honking or something, but nothing disturbed me as such.
Very nice. Very nice. That's very good
Very
progress.
calm and peaceful I'm feeling. Very
Yes.
nice. Thank you so much.
All Guru Kripa. It's all Guru Kripa.
But your
Jai
guidance.
Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Krishna, Jai Gurudev.
Yes, Usha ji, Usha Das ji.
Today's session.
Your voice is echoing. Yes. You're muted. You're muted.
Today's
Yes.
session, compared to the earlier one, it's very strong like that. You know, it was very strong. There was the third eye was throbbing throughout, throbbing with lot of light like lightning. There was white light, there was purple light, and then I was trying to focus on them, and then it would disappear. So little bit of concentration was going here, and again it's coming, again it's going. So for quite some time. And the ears were itching like anything. Like I had said, I controlled, but then I said I have to scratch. It's getting, because it was disturbing my whole meditation. Otherwise, it was very peaceful towards the end. The lamp, everything, lot of optimism, lot of glow coming all around, and the comfort after going through the meditation. I think I won't like to lose it for anything. So I'm so comfortable with whatever it is. That it has changed my life.
Thank you.
And
Thank
thank
you.
you, ma'am, for everything. Jai
It's all
Gurudeva.
Guru Kripa. Don't thank me. It's all Gurudev Kripa. Thank Gurudev only.
Change, yes.
Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev. Yes, Ragini ji. Ragini ji is not there. Okay. Yes, Naina ji. Okay, Girija ji. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
Namo Nama.
Namo Nama.
It was wonderful. Today's now also I am feeling the diya in my heart.
Yes, you should.
Yeah. And it was my while doing the dhyana, raising my hand, it was too much heavy. So sometimes it was going like this. So now vibration is too much this time. And I got a good feeling from that. It is all Guru Kripa.
All Guru
Namo
Kripa.
Namo.
Yes. Yes.
Jai
Jai
Guru.
Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Shraddha ji, Savi ji.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much for the intense session today.
It
Yeah,
was all
and
Guru's direction.
I can feel the tickling and the heaviness on my palm when you asked to raise the hand,
Hmm.
and the emptiness and the light in my inside of me.
Hmm.
And second thing, I just wanted to ask, ma'am, in the last session,
Hmm.
you said that you will conduct some chakra healing session that
Workshop.
for
Yes, course,
yeah,
yes.
workshop.
Yes.
So I'm really looking forward to it.
Yes, yes. That when it will be ready, I have to assimilate materials for that. So when it is ready, I will announce it. Then you can join in.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes, welcome.
Yes.
It's all Guru Kripa, basically. Yes, Nalini ji. Nalini ji. Unmute yourself.
Actually, everything help me to look inwards, the Panjabodha Tattva and the lights, the diya, everything. It remains. It was really extraordinary feeling. Wish this will continue, and in gratitude to the special meditation we all could attend. Yeah, thank you. Gratitude to you, Gurudeva, and everyone.
Gratitude only to Gurudeva, because I had myself no idea that this session is going to be like this. It was
We
just
were-
he who
we-
was conducting the session.
We all are so lucky, so lucky.
Because even I had no idea the session is going to be like this. It was Gurudeva only who was conducting the session. So
Yes.
all thanks to Gurudeva. It's all
Yes,
Guru
yes.
Kripa.
Yes,
Jai
yes.
Vishwanath, Jai Vishwanath.
Always in gratitude.
Yes, Balakrishnan ji.
Namo Namo.
Namo Nama. You are unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes.
By the grace of Gurudev, I feel I had a lot of concentration, and as a result, the mind has calmed down, and I feel very energetic and a lot of concentration that I will again repeat, and that is helping me to be more calmed down and more energetic. Thanks a lot.
Very nice. All Guru Kripa. Thank you. Yes, Naina ji.
नमो नमा मैम।
Namo Nama.
आज का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा था मैम, बहुत अच्छे से कंसंट्रेट कर पाई। जो साइलेंस और ये चाहिए था सर, बहुत भारी हो गया था, और एक्चुअली बहुत कोल्ड और इसका बहुत ज्यादा मुझे तकलीफ हो रही है 15 डेज से। तो आज अच्छा लग रहा है सब करने के बाद, नहीं तो मैं बहुत परेशान थी, सर भी बहुत दर्द दे रहा था। अभी अच्छा फील कर रही हूँ, हेडेक भी कम हो गया है, और the intensity of the today's energy was very high. 2-3 बार मुझे पूरे शरीर में जैसे शिवरिंग हुआ, एक ऐसे अलग टाइप का, जैसे कुछ पास आउट हो रहा था या कुछ ऐसे
इस टाइप से लग रहा था। एंड सेकेंडली जब दिया हम लोग जला रहे थे, दिया था, हाँ हार्ट में मेरे अच्छे से मुझे फील हो रहा था, उसकी वार्म फील हो रही थी। और थोड़ी देर बाद एक ऐसा लगा जैसे मेरे सामने कोई दिया लेके खड़ा है। पता नहीं चल रहा था कौन है। मैंने सोचा शायद आप हो या कोई था जो एक दिया से मेरे जैसे एक फोरहेड के सामने ऐसे लेके खड़ा हुआ है, जैसे दिया दिख रहा था मुझे वो। और उसके बाद वो दिया जैसे मुझ में समा गया। एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा मैम। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक्स टू गुरुदेव। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
It's all Guru Kripa. Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev.
जय जय गुरु।
Yes, anyone else is left out? Usha Vishwanji? Usha Vishwanji? Anyone else who's left out? All right. Okay, so I will send the recharge. Okay, the 5 minutes recharge. So do the 5 minutes recharge. That is one recharge I will send you all. And I will send you another recharge. Okay, for your self-awareness and awakening that you have to do throughout your life. Okay, 5 minutes every day throughout your life आप करते रहो ये, and you will find कि आपकी जो अंदर की journey की जो progress है, that is going ahead very fast. You will find the difference. Okay, so
Veena,
yes,
Veena ji,
yes.
I want to ask something. If every day we are taking the down our screen, and every day only we have to see the same or separate visuals.
Same sankalpa.
Sankalpa is same,
yes,
but the visuals we can change.
Visuals will normally be the same only, na?
Okay. If we are living,
normally,
living means every day we are living, morning to evening, visuals will change, no?
Okay.
Regarding that, I want to.
Okay, if your visuals are changing, but the intention is the same, then it is all
Intention
right.
is same. Intention is same.
Intention
Visuals,
is, intention is the same. Main thing is your intention should be there.
first intention, then we will change. The morning where something is happening, afternoon something is night. Every time, if we have visuals will be changed now. That
No
is why I
problem. If your
want to ask.
visuals are changing, no problem. Go with the
Okay.
flow. Go with the
Okay.
flow. Right? But
Okay.
see that the
Okay.
intention, the sankalp, the basic sankalp, intention,
Sankalpa
this
is
the
the same.
Yes.
Yes. Sankalpa is the same.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev.
Jai
Please
Vishwanath, Jai
do
Gurudev.
your